boys and girls. My name is Miss Kelly, and I want to read to you a book called Look Out, Lion Cub. But it's got an exclamation mark, so it's Look Out, Lion Cub. And just by the title, we know it's about a lion cub. And who is this, do you think? That's his father. We can tell that that's not the mother because the mother doesn't have a big mane or long hair. The father has the mane. The mother does not. See, there's the mother. She doesn't have the long hair. Lion Cub is bored. He wants to have some fun. Look, everybody's sleeping and he's wide awake. Mother Lion is going hunting for food. Go home, Lion Cub. Father is feeling sleepy. Go away, growled Father. Lion Cub tries to climb as well as a... What do you think he's trying to climb like? What climbs in trees? Whoop! A monkey. Lion Cub tries to reach the top of a tree. Like a... What do you think this is? Looks like the nose is sticking out. You want to guess? Let's see. Giraffe. Lion Cub wants to fly just like a what? A parrot. Splash! Oh dear, he can't swim as well as a crocodile. Oh, a crocodile. Or as well as a huge, whoops, wrong page, huge hippopotamus. Uh-oh. Look, poor Lion Cub. He's got a hippo and a crocodile right there. Where is he? Can you see him? He's sinking. Thank goodness an elephant helps him out of the water. Whoops. Let's see if I can hold it. Run back home, Lion Cub, trumpets the elephant. Lion Cub runs fast, but he cannot jump like a antelope. Lion Cub is tired and he's frightened. He calls for his mommy and daddy. What is he frightened of? Oh, a scorpion and a rattlesnake. Mother Lion hears Lion Cub and brings him safely home. Lion Cub falls asleep as the sun sets. He dreams of climbing high into the African sky. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. I'll be reading more. I might have an activity about African animals that you can look at. Till next time, check out our channel. Bye-bye.